In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to merge multiple territories into one territory. To do that, you simply zoom into the area where you want to merge your territories. So let's take, for example, this Atlanta territory and this Macon territory, the yellow and the green one here. So we want to merge those into one. To do that, you click here in the top left under Lasso Zip Codes, you click that drop-down menu and you select Lasso Territories. Now you have the Lasso Territory tool enabled. So now we simply click and lasso the two territories we want to merge together. Here we will see a summary of what we've just lassoed. Click on the next button and then click on Merge into a Territory. From here in the drop-down menu, you can choose which territory these should be merged into. And let's say we want them to be merged into the Atlanta territory, which is Territory 152. We click that, then on Finish, and now you'll see those two have been combined into one. And there you go. You've just learned how to merge territories in AlignMix.